Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's make this quick granola recipe. Okay, now to make this you want to use whole grain oats. That's the brand I use. It's very cheap, just 15 cedis. Okay, so to begin I add some melted butter into a bowl. To that I'm going to add some vanilla essence and then honey as well, salt and cinnamon. I'll mix everything together and then set it aside. Then I'll mix in the dry ingredients as well. I plan to film an entirely different recipe for this week, but then I ran out of granola. I always have this in my fridge as a staple, so I thought to film and then share with you how I make mine. Okay, it's very easy. All you need is the whole grain oats, some nuts, seeds, dried fruits if you will, and flavorings. You mix everything together and then you bake. There's no rule to this. Just add whatever you like, okay? Whatever type of nuts you like, whatever type of seeds you like, or what is readily available to you. Okay, that's it. For this batch, I used some walnuts, pumpkin seeds, cashew nuts, coconut shavings, and then cherries. Now, if you're wondering where to buy these seeds and nuts from, I usually get mine from the Palace Mall, the branch at Atomic Junction. I just go and they have it in large quantity, so I tell them the quantity I want, then they measure it out for me. That's it. For this coconut shavings, I did it myself. If you are unable to, you can always buy the coconut flakes and then add to your mixture, okay? And so at this point, I just add the wet ingredients to the dry ones, mix it all together and then spread it on a tray. Then I'll bake it. That's it. One may ask, why do I bother to make granola myself when I can just grab one off a shelf in any supermarket? You want to do this for yourself because it's cheaper, first of all, and then you also know the ingredients you're using. You know the amount of sugars that is going in, and then you have the flexibility of playing with ingredients. I have never done one particular granola, all the time. I always try different nuts, different seeds, different fruits. Okay, so it's like you're exploring. Now, when this is done and cool down, you want to store it in an airtight container. A Ziploc bag works perfectly well too. You can store this at room temperature or you can leave it in your fridge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. And I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.